Here I have iPhone SE 2022, and today I'm going to show you how to change photo styles on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, and here you have to tap on this arrow, and here you have styles. You have like standard style, rich contrast, vibrant, warm, and cool style. You can check these styles here. Like this, you have this cool, warm, vibrant, rich contrast, and standard. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.